Are you scared of getting a transplant done in different city because you can travel once, but if you, what about the PRP sessions which are followed, which are a must maybe post transplant, and you need 5, 6, 7, 10 sessions of PRP. How are you going to take those sessions post transplant? So then I cannot take a transplant at my place. I have to take it at my place. So I'm going to answer these questions. I'm your friend Dr. Shaiil Gupta, and I'm a hair transplant surgeon who has been practicing for almost 20 years. Now see, I made a lot of videos on PRP. You can see the results of PRP which we give to our patients. I do a PRP session at the time of transplant. It is very important. It improves hair quality, it improves hair thickness, it improves the rate at which hair are growing, and it also reduces damage and trauma to the hair, and the hair growth is better when we combine this. So what percentage of PRP should be mixed with the hair, and at what time, for how much time should we store it? These all things I have devised, and I have been experimenting about these, and I now for uh, past few years I have developed a technique where we utilize these PRP, and we get good results. Now, how many sessions shall we do post transplant? That's a big question. I've seen almost 70-80% people, patients who come to me, they come for repair hair transplants. So they have already got transplants done, a crazy number of grafts, and real bad results. So when they come, they most of them tell that, we got 7, 8, 10 sessions of PRP post transplant. Does it really make any sense? I think, uh, as I have told in earlier videos also, that when we do PRP, I generally recommend once in a year. Suppose if we are doing PRP too often, we are inducing tolerance. So the patient will develop tolerance to this and stop responding to it. So post transplant, also I generally give only one session, sometimes after 6 months, 7 months, or sometimes even after a year. We don't need that frequent PRP sessions, and I've seen this, like people are selling it in offers. Okay, you take a transplant, we give you 10 sessions for free. I've seen people doing in name of PRP is cruel joke. That does not work, because if it works in the very first session itself. Why should you get these so many pricks repeatedly on your head? You are a human being, you are pain sensitive. Why the hell, on this planet you are gonna get so many times injected on the scalp so frequently? But who cares? I think, it is time you take a pause, stop, do a proper research. We are here to guide you, and then think about all this nonsense which is going on, and save yourself. Okay? So people who live in different cities and distant areas, they don't want to travel for a transplant just because of this, that they won't be able to take PRP sessions. Please, please take care. You think that you need a transplant clinic near your house, near your city, so that traveling can be avoided. You might not get good clinic at your doorstep. Okay, every clinic near your city might not be good, and every good clinic might not be in your city. Most of the multi-city branches, they are like franchisee model, and they work on this concept. So most of these clinics are basically run on technicians, and they are incomplete clinics. They will only provide you, most of them only provide you only FUE. And for complete solution, I've told you, always choose a complete clinic, because if you are doing only FUE, then you are not doing justice to your donor. I've made a lot of videos on this. If you haven't watched, please go or subscribe the channel. Stay tuned. Don't miss even a single video. Subscribe the channel. Don't miss a single video, because the information which I am giving you, you are not going to get this anywhere else on this planet. So hope this information was useful. If you have questions, ask in comment section. You can write to us, you can mail us, you can send your pictures for evaluation. If you want to know the real potential of your donor, or if you really want to plan your hair transplant journey or your hair retention journey, I would rather say, do write to us. Thank you. Love yourself. Stay blessed.